this guy so much. It's so nice and lovely today. Oh, I didn't see you. Hmm. Meow. Well, this is puzzling to say the least. I'm too lazy to put the intro here because it sounds like shit. Yeah, goodbye. It's in the. It's already nighttime. I just made this at night. And that's why I always sit down and take a shit looking up at the sky of the third day of bug summer. It felt so nice. I love the vibe. Wait, where's Barney? He said he'd be here. This isn't right. He never missed Wrecking Ball Day. Dear pesky insects, your precious Barney has been taken captive by none other than me. Ha 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 ha. If you ever want to see your precious pal again, then it's up to you. And only you to find me. If you do not find me within 12 bug hours, then you can say goodbye to your friend, beloved Mr. Beast. Unkind regards, your arch nemesis. Oh shit, this is really bad. Hi. The Bugbo's in danger. We gotta call Hoppo right now. Hoppo, we need your help. Barney's been bug nabbed. I came in like a wreck. Well, Joe, Mama, looks like it's up to just you and me and to stop this mystery man and to find our friend. Searching in progress around the world. Why does the picture look so cursed? I wish. Oh no. That looks like a germ. It's a nuke. Is that a nuke over there? Oh no. What the hell is that guy? That looks like my brother. Oh. Oh, those 2019 or 18 videos. It turned red. There's blood in the water. Around the world, around the world, around the world, around the world. Look at that moon. Oh. Searching in progress. Oh no. The whole world is actually Barney. Ew. Yeah, that's spelled out Bugbo. What's that moon so sad? Bugbo, I'm going to kill you. It appears I've gotten myself into quite a cucumber. I'm just going to end your life and you're gonna die. Oh my, a cucumber indeed, my friend. Or should I say, my enemy? Oh my. You foolish bug. Once my timer strikes bug 0, your time will be up and my nefarious plan will be executed successfully. Hooray! How interesting. If your friends arrive in time, and they'll be forced to watch you go splat. Goodness gracious me, what the hell? This is so gay. Shut up. Knowing your so-called friends never cared to find you. Oh no, that just wouldn't do. You see, shut up, you have no one to stick to, and in turn, you invite for lunatics with only selfish go. Quiet, you troublesome nerd. If I didn't have such genius foolproof plan, I'll activate the device right now and destroy you. Okay. Well, we've searched all over the globe. No sign of Barney. Oh shit. The only place we haven't checked is Mount's face, which is so steep. It'll take bug days. If only we had a red brother. That's how we said the red brother. Whoa, who are you? The red brother. Hello. Hi, 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 hi. Goodbye. Whoa. What could this mean? Ooh. Various items. More like useless. Hmm. Whenever I have a problem that needs solving, the first thing that comes to my mind is, what would Joe Mama do? Rocks. We don't know. That's it. What would Joe Mama do? Will he choose A, the ladder, B, the snake, or C, the grappling hook? Let's find out. Are you sure? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I trust you. Whoa, you're a genius, Joe Mama. Whee. How long is this going to take? This is animal abuse. Well, what bugs around grubs around? Yeah, I guess. Nice thing. Look, a secret lair. Barney must be in there. Well, here goes. Ugh. Well. It seems to have fallen directly into my trap. Now it's time for me to unleash the bees. Bye, bees. Barney! Is it really you? Rise as rain, Spider. Don't worry, we're gonna get you out of here. Ah! No! Not so fast, Bugs! Who are you? What? You don't recognize me? No. Well, perhaps this will jog your memory. That's right. It was I, Thomas Tank Engine, once again. You thought you could get rid of me last time, but I'm back. Joe Mama, who is the strange man? Very peculiar, whoever you are. You, what do you mean? It's me, your arch nemesis, your ex-boyfriend. I don't recognize you. I don't know who you are. Ah, humbug! Or should I say, harm bug? Because I'm that you're going here to harm Barney. Yeah, true. You have the privilege of seeing my device in action. Okay, let's not talk about this and look at Barney's expression. Wow. And then I will finally have my revenge. Revenge! But why? Why are you like this, Dr. Train? Well, you see, when I was a young man, I was a minimum wage employee at Swatter Incorporated, and a factory that specialized in the creation of pest killing implements, such as the fly swatter. It was a dangerous environment, and that much everyone knew. Everyone except me. Nobody warned me that the dangers of the conveyor belts. On one fateful day of making fly swatters, I tripped and fell into the conveyor. More like you just purposely get in there and try to sleep. It sent me directly into the fly swatter maker machine thingy and went through all that until I suffered from being melting. And then I turned into this. Man, I can't believe I purposely did that. Now I'm going to hate someone that I hate for no reason. And I'm gonna kill all bugs like him. And there you have it. That's why I am Thomas Tank Engine. Well, I'm sorry that happened, sir. But that doesn't give you the right to be rude. You should listen to Gerbe, mister. Why should I listen to an 8-legged faggot? What are we gonna do? We can't be reasoned with. He's a monster. Wait. I have a plan. Do you understand? You have bested me fair and square this time, Barney. But mark my words, I'll be back. I'll get you! I'll get you someday! Sorry, pal. It seems you've swatted your last fly. No. Give me